Oh shit! They give me the dippy.
It is I, the real God. Kai,
God?
it took you less than 10 minutes to clip your wings and defy me. For such heresy, I summon my strongest disciple, Joe Biden.
Biden blast. Peace out, commissioners.
Sacrifice you guys instead. This is a great idea. Secret, thank you so much for the soup, but thank you! Finally, an accurate representation of how hot I am. You're truly a powerful god. A prayer I never even made has been granted. You'll feel very hot when you die and go to hell. Ha 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 ha. Wait. Oh wait, no. I'm doing a bad job. Hold on. Do you want to burn? Burn! Scream in agony! Scream! Scream! Yes! More! 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 No, you gotta scream. You gotta make me look cool. All right, I'm ready for it. Lay it on me. What are you gonna say? Lay it on me.
Rules of the Kai cult.
Yes.
Always worship her and give her nuggies with dipping sauce.
Yes.
Always call her cute.
Yes.
And on high holy days, eat some of that lovely hip ham.
No ham. No ham. You know what? You were doing so good, and I'm gonna bring the fucking fire again. Okay, you're burning now. and you're burning again. Wow, we went through like a solid 10 minutes without you burning. But no, you couldn't stay well behaved for 1 fucking second, and now you burn. And now you burn. Now you burn. Wait, let me lower the flame so I can actually see you screaming for help. It's funner that way. There you go. Beautiful! Yay! Yay! Burn! Tobias, thank you so much for the soup, but thank you! Oh, divine Kai Misama, please bless my brain. Sure, I bless you. 1 second. There you go. Consider yourself blessed.